Hey everybody, and welcome to Active Academy, Health at Home, Wellness at Work. Today I'm going to be taking you through a quick workout. All you'll need are 2 cans of soup. That weigh roughly the same amount. So I've got 2 cans of soup right here. You'll also want a chair or a bench or another flat object that you can be up on top of. I'll go ahead and just demonstrate how I'll be on top of it. That way you can kind of plan accordingly. So just so that you can rest your knee and your arm on it, we'll be doing a tricep kick back with it. So as long as you can get it comfortably into this position, that works great. I have a blanket on top of my chair to help my knee be a little bit more comfortable because of my surgery this last year. So grab 2 cans of soup, a chair, something to get comfy with, and let's get started. We're going to go ahead and start with some lateral raises. So just bring the cans down to your side like this, and then lift up until your arms are parallel with the ground. And we'll do this 20 times. Keep going, you're halfway there. $18, $19, and $20. Great job. All right, now facing your palms forward, still holding the soup cans, we're gonna go ahead and do some bicep curls. So you'll just bring those soup cans straight up to your shoulders. And we'll do this 20 times as well. Halfway there, keep it up. $18, $19, $20. All right, now we'll go ahead and do our tricep kickbacks. So go ahead and pull your chair so it's in a good position. Just grab 1 can of soup at a time for this. Go ahead and rest your knee on the chair as well as your arm. And then you will take your arm so it's at a 90-degree angle and then kick it back so it's straight. 2, 3, and we'll do this 20 times. Halfway there with this arm. All right, and now we'll go ahead and switch. Again, up to 90 and straight back. Halfway there. 18, 19, 20. All right. And now for our last exercise that we'll do, we won't need the chair. Although, if having a chair makes this a little bit more stable for you, that might be a good thing. So just be careful with this. But we're going to do some standing lunges. So what you'll do, I'll go ahead and face like this. I'm just going to move this chair a little bit further out of the way. All right. So taking your soup cans in both hands, you'll go ahead and step forward and lunge down. So your knee should come all the way to the ground, and then you push yourself back. and then switch. And push back. And we can go ahead and do this 20 times each side. Additionally, you can walk in a straight line. So you can lunge, go down, and come up, and then lunge, go down, and kind of do like a rocking motion like this. But it's easiest to keep it on track if you're just going side to side. Truth be told, I cannot count in my head and talk out loud at the same time. Oh, so I'm going to guesstimate. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. And 20. All right, so that was one set. And if you want to keep doing more sets, that is a great way to get in a good workout, or just doing one. You can also increase the number of times that you're doing each repetition. So instead of doing 20 each time like we've been doing, you can do more or less than that depending on the ease of it all, or you can add a greater weight. So something like milk jugs or something else. So go ahead and either start this video over or do it on your own. But again, that's just going to be lateral lifts or lateral raises 20 times, bicep curls 20 times, tricep kick backs 20 times, and lunges 20 times. So get out there and get a good workout in. See you next time. Also feel free to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more awesome content every Saturday. I think I'm gonna go make myself some soup now. See ya.